Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in the northern end of the Las Vegas Strip, and we're going to visit the Strat, formerly known as the Stratosphere. You can't miss the place. It's home of the Sky Pod, the 1,149-foot tall tower, the tallest freestanding observation tower in the United States. The Sky Pod itself is the subject of another video on this New York channel, so do a search on the channel and just type in Skypod or Stratosphere and you'll come across that video as well. This particular video is on the casino and the hotel itself. Up until recently, the place was looking a little rough around the edges, but it had a major renovation inside and out recently, and the place is looking fantastic. So let's go inside and check it out, shall we? The Strat's website says, elevate your Las Vegas experience. Visible throughout the city, dominating the Las Vegas skyline, the iconic Strat Hotel, Casino, and Skypod is where the Las Vegas Strip begins and ends. We've reimagined your experience from top to bottom, offering renovated hotel rooms, refreshed casino floor, all new dining options, award-winning entertainment, and an exhilarating Skypod experience. And as I said earlier, this place really did need an overhaul, and that it's got. Everything here is now shiny and new, and it's just looking fantastic. I'm pretty sure there's a video on this channel that was taken while they were doing the renovations, and this place was a mess. And I had mentioned on that video, I believe, that I wouldn't have stayed here for free if they offered me a room. That's what a mess it was while they were doing all the construction, but it really paid off. Lots of bars and lounges now at the Strat as well, including the 701 Sky Lounge, which is 107 stories above the Las Vegas Strip. And here's a tip for you guys if you want to go up to the Sky Pod. I believe it's a $10 charge the last time I was there to take the elevator up to the Sky Pod top. But if you tell them at the bottom that you just want a couple drinks at the 107 Sky Lounge, they'll let you up for free. Other lounges at the Strat include the View Lounge, the Remix Lounge, 108 Drinks, PT's Wings and Sports, McCall's Whiskey Bar, Elation Pool and Cafe Bar, and Wet 24 Adult Pool and Bar, which is a top optional pool on the 24th floor here at the Strat.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Some of the restaurants here at the Strat include Top of the World, which is at the very top of the Sky Pod, and just offers some beautiful dining with incredible views of Las Vegas below. Also here is PT Wings and Sports, the Strat Cafe, McCall's Heartland Grill, 101 Eats, Crafted Buffet, Elation Pool, Cafe and Bar, Nunzio's Pizzeria. There's a Starbucks, as well as kind of like a small food court, where you'll find an additional Starbucks, a McDonald's, a Fat Tuesday, and the Nunzio Pizzeria that I discussed earlier. And now that I'm editing this video, I'm noticing on the board here that the Sky Pod is now $20 to get that ride to the very top. I guess someone has to pay for all these renovations. But again, in the past, I've just mentioned that I'm going up there for drinks and I've gotten up there for free. So try it next time you're here. So far, everything we've seen is on the ground level. We're going to head up to the mezzanine now to see what's up there. Last time I was here, again, under a lot of construction at that time, they were putting in some restaurants and a huge shopping mall. So let's see what that looks like at this point. Shouldn't the up escalator be on the right-hand side? I'm just saying. Hold on tight. So I visited the Strat for this particular video just a few days after the Las Vegas Strip reopened during the COVID crisis. So as you can see, a lot of places are still closed, and as far as the shops are concerned, this is all new construction, so a lot of these places are vacant right now. I plan on going back to the Strat on my next trip, which is coming up shortly, and it'd be interesting to see if this mall filled in or not.
Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer. Tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City.
So this place looks like it has the makings of being a nice place to shop. All it just needs is a few more stores, or should I say a lot more stores, and a few more places to eat. Here comes what looks like a hotel and casino employee. She probably thinks I'm lost. Nope, it's just Jeff from New York being nosy. On the right, we have the Deja Vu Love Boutique. I'd take you guys in there. I'm not a shy guy, but they're closed. Like I said, this is all new, and it's pretty impressive. I had no idea it was going to be this large. And there's really nothing like it as far as shopping. The closest thing would probably be Fashion Show Mall, which is much further down the strip. An arcade, and it's open. Let's go in, shall we? What's really odd about this arcade, other than the fact that there's nobody here, is that it's decorated for Halloween and it's the middle of the summer. Looks like working here can be torturous. Ooh, air hockey. Hey, who wants to do a round of air hockey with Jeff from New York? Hello? Anyone? Hello? Between the decorations and nobody here, I feel like I'm in the middle of an apocalypse. So that's pretty much it for the Strat today, and again, I can't tell you enough how much I'm impressed with how much this place has changed. Unfortunately, the whole COVID thing probably put a damper on a lot of this stuff opening up, but they did a great job with the renovations, and I'm hoping that a lot of this mall will become occupied and the casino and the hotel becomes a lot busier. I am going to revisit the Strat on my next visit, which is very soon, and I will also go back up to the Sky Pod and show you guys what's up there. In the meantime, there's a video on this channel that's about a year old, maybe a year and a half, of my last visit to the Sky Pod, so make sure you check that out.
If you put a buck in my cup, I am going to shut the up. And you ain't gotta be a baller to give me a dollar.
I'll be in Vegas in a few days, and I'm going to look for Dollar Dude. From what I understand, he's still on the strip, singing his song and getting those dollars. So I'd like to see how he's doing, and hopefully I'll run into him and make another video.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.